Hi, good morning, Alphonse here. Just a quick look at this image I took in Iwajima outside of Hiroshima in Japan many years ago. And I've just pulled up the raw file in Photoshop and I want to show you the before and after effects using different layers of luminosity masking. And so let's start at the very beginning to show you what steps I went through to get to that final image. So as you can see, the image looks quite flat at the moment, and the lighting as well in different parts of the image are different. The color temperatures are different as well. So first of all, I started by getting a selection using the selection tool here on to the tori, or the gate as it's known, and just added a little bit of different colors to make it look and feel as I remember it. Then I took a selection of the sky area and I played with the brightness and contrast. As you can see, I've named them accordingly so I can go back to them and readjust them if needed. Then I selected, so I've actually saved my selections. So up here, every time you make a selection and you load it, you can actually see here as I load it, I've got different saved selections named accordingly, so I can always go back and reselect it, as you can see there. Now moving on, you can see here that the next layer that I went through was to select the water area, and I've just added a little bit of brightness and contrast to that. Then I went back into the water and I played with the curves adjustment layer to play with the tones, and then I selected the sky. Also played with the curves adjustment layer to play with the tones there to darken it. And last but not least, I went back into the tori gate, but I made a separate selection for the top half of the gate just up here because I felt that was just a little bit dark. I selected that area on its own, and there you have the final result. Thanks for listening.